Morning students, what we will be doing today is Herons formula, which according to your book is chapter 12. Now, before coming to this formula, let us talk about actually this particular chapter talks about area of any figure. What kind of figure? It talks about triangle, it talks about quadrilateral, it talks about parallelogram, etc. Now let us see what are the basic things required to do this particular chapter. Now, first thing what we need to understand is when we talk about length, breadth, height, etc. In that case, the unit is either meter or centimeter. When it comes to volume, not volume, I mean area. When it comes to area is a multiple of two things. As you know, A into A is your A square. So, the unit of area will be meter square or centimeter square. So, in very basic, all other things is meter or centimeter, only area is meter square or centimeter square so far. Now, first thing is what we need to know is number one is what we call it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. As from the term you know it, equilateral triangle means for any triangle where all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So all sides are equal. Let's see, this one is A, this length is also A, this length is also A. So equilateral triangle formula says of area is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. A means all equal sides. And what is perimeter of equilateral triangle? Perimeter, always remember, whatever be the figure, it's sum of all the sides. If you add all these three, A plus A plus A, you get 3A. This is about your equilateral triangle. Now let us see about, next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is like this. Isosceles triangle, as you know, any triangle where two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Suppose, for example, these two sides are equal as A and this base is suppose is X. So what happened? For an equilateral triangle, two sides are equal. So what is area? Area of isosceles triangle is half of A root over X square minus A square by 4, where A means equal sides, X means non-equal side or the base. Now, next is your right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now, right angle triangle, from your previous classes knowledge, you know it. Any triangle whose one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. See, this angle is your 90 degree, is your right angle triangle. How we name it? This is a right angle. What we say, this one as perpendicular, this one as base, and as you know, this side what we call it is hypotenuse. Now Pythagoras said, Pythagoras, famous mathematician, has given a relation between hypotenuse and perpendicular and base for a right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem, he has given the relation, and relation says h square equal to p square plus b square. H square equal to P square plus B square. Now area of triangle, another formula what we know it, is simple formula which you have done since your class 7 time. So the formula says half into base into height or altitude. So for a right angle triangle also, if you can apply this formula, you will get half into your base is this one, you can say it base, and height means this one, perpendicular, half into B into P. H means hypotenuse here, H is not height, remember it. Height means your perpendicular. So next we will come to Herons formula now. Okay, let us see what Herons formula says. Herons formula has given the area of a triangle where the measure of each side is given, A, B, C. When we write A, B, C, this A means angle, this B means angle, this C means angle. Opposite to angle A is your side A. Side A means BC. Opposite to angle B is your side B, which is your AC. And opposite to angle C is your side C. Side C means AB. So with small letter whenever we denote, it means side. With capital letter when we denote a triangle, it means the angles. So I hope it is clear. So A means your BC, B means your AC, and C means your AB. Now, Herons has given the relation for how to find the area of a triangle when the measure of three sides are given. He said that area of a triangle, AR bracket means area of a triangle, equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Now what this S means? Root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S, what we call it, is semi-perimeter. It means what? Perimeters, half of the perimeter. That is A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C means perimeter, divided by 2 means semi-perimeter. Next is, suppose you have to find the area of any quadrilateral. Area of any quadrilateral, A, B, C, D, where the measure of sides are given. In that case, always remember you have to find the diagonal, either AC or BD. Suppose if you know AC or BD, then easily you can find. See the figure, from this figure you can see this is a triangle and this is another triangle. Which are the triangle? ABC, and the other triangle is ADC. So area of quadrilateral you can easily find like this, ABCD, which is equal to area triangle ABC plus area triangle ADC. See, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. This is your very basic formula related to this particular chapter. I believe this much is clear to you. Thank you.